In this video, you'll learn how to configure Claude Code environment variables on a Windows system. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to set your API key temporarily, permanently, and even system-wide, ensuring that your development environment is properly configured. To begin, you will set the API key for your current session. Open PowerShell on your Windows machine. Once the terminal is open, type the command $env Anthropic_API_key =, your _API_key here. With your actual API key, this command sets the environment variable for the duration of your PowerShell session. After entering this command, press the Enter key to execute it. You will not receive a confirmation message, but the command will run silently. Next, you should verify that the API key has been set correctly. Type echo $env Anthropic_API_key and press Enter. If your API key is displayed in the terminal, it confirms that the variable is set. Keep in mind that once you close PowerShell, this setting will disappear as it only lasts for the current session. To set the API key permanently, which is recommended for convenience, you will use the setx command. In the same PowerShell window, type set x Anthropic _API_here_key_here with your actual key here with your actual key. After executing this command, close the PowerShell window. It is essential to note that setx does not update the current session, so you must open a new PowerShell window to see the changes take effect. To verify the permanent setting, reopen PowerShell and input echo $end Anthropic_API_key again. If the terminal displays your API key, the process was successful. This confirms that the API key will be available every time you open PowerShell in the future. If you want to set the API key system-wide, making it accessible to all users on the machine, you will need to run PowerShell as an administrator. To do this, search for PowerShell in the Start menu, right-click on it, and select Run as administrator. In the elevated PowerShell window, type AFURA Anthropic API key, your _API_key_ here machine, and replace your underscore here with your actual key. After executing this command, restart your computer to ensure the changes are fully applied. For those who need to set multiple environment variables, you can execute multiple setx commands in the same PowerShell session. For example, type setx Anthropic_API_key, your _key_key, followed by setx http://127 001 8080 inches and setx https_coxry https_7 001 8088. After running these commands, each variable will be set for future sessions. Lastly, to check all Claude-related environment variables, type get child item online, where object $name -like and topic in PowerShell. This command will list all variables that contain and topic in their name, allowing you to confirm that your settings are correct. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.